My name is Jack, and in this video I will be discussing the 4 different types of listening we use as people, as well as the types of barriers that can lead to poor listening. The first type of listening is informative. This type of listening is used when the primary concern of the receiving audience is to understand the message. An example can be listening to a TED Talk when you are learning new things and are being given new ideas like data or concepts. This type of listening focuses on a person's vocabulary, their concentration, and their memory. The next type of listening is relationship listening. This form is less understanding the message being received and instead understanding the person who is giving it. This kind of listening is usually between friends or people that care about each other and are discussing personal matters. This kind of listening focuses on attending and being present, supporting the other person, and emphasizing with them to understand where they are coming from. The third type of listening is critical listening. With critical listening, you aim to evaluate what you are hearing by interpreting or assessing it. Essentially, you are trying to discover the validity of what you are hearing. This is done by identifying the main points and assessing the adequacy of those main points in your own interpretation. Finally, the last type of listening is appreciative listening. This kind of listening revolves around how much you value or actually enjoy what you are hearing. There is no real goal to this listening, it simply occurs when you are truly stimulated and in a way actually incorporates all of the other 3 types of listening into one super type, all unconsciously. Lastly, there are some barriers that can occur which could potentially disrupt your listening. These barriers include physical barriers, such as anything actually blocking the sound, like a wall, personal barriers, such as being preoccupied with something else and not having a focused mind, gender barriers, as there are different ways that men and women communicate ideas generally, and of course semantic barriers, which is seeing the world in a different view than the other person who is giving the message. These barriers may disrupt any type of the listening that I've talked about and should always be watched for to improve your listening as a whole. Thank you for watching my video, and I hope you have learned a little bit about the different types of listening.